In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a live chat to a Squarespace website. We'll be doing this directly from your Squarespace dashboard, and the process is fairly straightforward. The goal here is to connect a slight chat tool so visitors on your site can easily reach out for support, ask questions, or start a conversation with your business. To begin, log into Squarespace and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the settings icon to open your website settings. This is where Squarespace keeps most of the tools and integrations related to your site configuration. Once you're in settings, find and click third-party tools. This section is used for connecting outside services to your Squarespace website. So if you ever want to add external functionality, this is usually the place to start. Inside third-party tools, click extensions. The extensions area lets you browse apps and integrations that can work with your site. Since we're adding live chat, this is where you'll search for the right option. In the search field, type live. This will filter the available extensions and help you quickly find relevant live chat tools without having to scroll through everything manually. From the results, click Live Chat, AI-powered customer support. Make sure you're selecting the correct app so the integration process goes smoothly. This tool is designed to help you add a chat experience to your site and manage customer conversations more efficiently. Next, click Connect. This starts the integration between Squarespace and live chat. At this point, Squarespace will typically open an authorization flow so you can confirm which website you want to connect. When prompted, select the site you want to use. This is especially important if you manage more than one Squarespace website because you'll want to make sure the live chat gets installed on the correct one. After choosing the site, click Allow. This gives the integration permission to connect with your Squarespace account and place the necessary components on your website. Always review permissions carefully so you know what access is being granted. From there, you'll be taken to the live chat side of the setup. Click Sign Up with Email to create your live chat account and continue the connection process. If you already have an account, you may choose the appropriate sign-in option instead. But in this walkthrough, the action shown is to sign up with email. And that's it. Once the account setup is complete, your Squarespace site will be connected to live chat, and you'll be ready to continue configuring how your chat widget looks and behaves for visitors.